Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Yo, awusiyangibhalela ne story saka awusisi very sensitive, but like she's still traumatized namanje because of dilutse afidile ngotsona. So to see so to untapse yangibhalela or awushoze mina ngikhuliswa ugokwami nabantwana bakasibeki bo mama abusisi baka mama mawayithu, and then the uncle uthi my uncle like asumuntu lo like or reliable ubona kabophilo ke bathola bawuthi badiphusara bawunwela bajuju. So like angimconsider as umuntu omdala yakufila ngathi sometimes umntwana cause izinto ziphuma endleleni. So kusho ukuthi ngikholisa umama ugokwami nabo mamncane bami bayithu uthi bonke kibo mama abangashadanga ke umuntu uphumile endlini ayoshada or bayamlobola or bayomthembisa ukuthi sizokulobola akekho. So bonke abangashadanga. So uthi okay ngafunda ke ngayenza matric ukuthi mangenza matric umama like umuntu obekagula like ngikhulevele mina umama umuntu ukuthi uhlutshwa ukugula like ukugula lokho ngasi esingakujwayelanga lobona athi umama like ngikhulevele ahlupha izinyawo mangasi izinyawo ikhanda izinto bezimhlupha like throughout impilo, especially mangena mangiba yi-teenager. Ilavele umama like sengiyacala ukunothisa ukuthi lo muntu uhlala gula all the time, yabona. Or awushozi hayi kuthi one time umama mahambe vele ayohlola ukuthi kahle what's going on, yabona. Kuthi la hlola khona bathi kumele ukuthi athwase, kumele excuse me, kumele ukuthi ayothwasa, yabona. Uthi umama bekangazwana izinto zamadlozi, bekangazwana izinto zezinyanga, bekangazwana anything because of situation was pushing her, because of abona ukuthi so liyagula kuma doctor e-clinic wesibedlele but akuna difference. So abayo consult abathumela ukuthi ayothwasa unalibadimo. My mama zangafuni ke ukuthwasa, uthi umama magula waphatha izinyawo athi to extend ukuthi umama awushows are more like more lasinyathela ngakhona, yabona izinyaweni athi bekaphuma ama blisters like mawathula atswamethi athi umama like mawabhoboza so athi ayenza nemigodi like bathi la ahambe khona bathi kimolo wabadimo kumele ukuthi ahamba intwaseni. Mama angafuni or awushozi umama agule umama uthi agule mangenza matric agule vele like agule abewesi agule masobhala i-trial umama unfortunately ekseni masivuka simthole vele ushonene. Or awushozi ngibona ukuthi lento kahle yamadlozi be serious, just what my mother was ignoring it, or is either be witchcraft involved thina inkinga yithi ukuthi besingapay attention. And mina by then I was young, ngilabona ngengekho into ongayenza beside ukuthi ngimncede ngimgezi izinyawo ngimenzeni everything bengimhlokomela mangibe esikolweni. Or awushozi hayi umncwabo or arrange umama vele abulungiwe makabulungiwe uthi funny enough makazobulungiwe umama or awushozi kunomunye umuzi like estradini sethu ne bebangazwani nomama bebangakhulumisani, but umama makazobulungiwa like nge-preparation ya the funeral throughout the week abantu balapho bazoncedisa bazophilisa. So kokama athi no ningabaqoshi like angeke uzuqosha abantu emncwabeni, uyabona abantu esi-community sabambisana nanoma singazwani but makusitsho kunyarejeliso like sikubeka aside ukuthi asizwani, yabona. Or awushozi like intizwa mbe buhlungu ukuthi bengakuthi umama labantu banyanya kanjani kabafundi, but manje bakhona bayazenzela ka preparation ya funeral for ya mama yabona. Uthi hayi umnqobo bekhona umama mvele anqotshwe which funny enough labantu la during the week bebeza vele la bebeza balungisa uthi Friday for alini umlindelo azange vele beze. Uthi awu Saturday ngibona ukuthi ngizobabona bavela because barato show off. Uthi azange beze emnqwabeni, no problem, nithi thanks God because of ngathi umndimo unguqilo rakhe babathi ku funeral yamamaka. Uthi hayi kungcwatshwa awushozi sibuye emnqwabeni hayi impilo vele iqhubeke. Uthi hayi ngibhali trial awushozi ke parking wale. Uthi hayi ngicede ngibeki anything enginayo like energy yakha yokuhlike into ku booking because that person bekemphelela asalideni ngoba ngisengisele na umama mncane nalo malumama ongasi right with my grandmother. Or awushozi now that umama makasekho emhlabeni uthi ngibele ngiyamrecapping izinto eziningi because of but umuntu mazoshona uyazibona. Uthi oyithi awushozi angawubotha umama kanozi ukuthi bekazoshona and bekathi uzoshona before ungakayanga na ku matric dance. Uthi umama makasela sondela ukushona uthi beyasela ngibhadalela iroko ngirekile dithaku uthi bese level izinto eziningi azenzile organize izinto zami angitshela ukuthi imali ikuphi amaphini wakho ebank akuphi uthi yo ngizoshona izimntwana nami ngizohamba uthi bahlala kusho lokho ngihlala ukuthi hayi mama wena athanda ukuthi uzoshona yazi uthi ngayithathi serious uthi like izinto eziningi zakhe bekaziprepareile ukuthi makazoshona ngingacakeki kulabona hayi awusjozi uthi one time ngicela ukubhala ama result final exam yabona uthi ngitshela gokwami ngithi yazi mina umama like bekasho ukuthi uzoshona yazi gogo fani enough ukuthi izinto eziningi sozenzile ungenzele zona because of athi barikho uzoshona yabona uthi vele ngimchazele ukuthi bayathanda ukuthini bayathanda gokwami athi ayona yathanda yazi ukukhuluma ngezinto ezingekho umama kube ngekaza kwenza uthi like every time angikhuluma ngomamami gokwami uthi my grandmother like uzayicrash distinguish ngakhuluma ngoma like anyako rebellion memories tsa mama waka yabona uthi mangimtshela ngithi yo mina umama yazi ungibekele 1 2 3 wangibhadalelo like ubhadalele zonke izinto phambili athi hayi manje impilo aziqhubekeni ayisolo sibele emuva yabona uthi angicrash like that ngithi sathi you know what I'm no longer going to speak about my mother kugokwami because ngathi umama ungathi ugokwami akakhona uhila or like iyamsindela lento lokuthi uluzingane yabona awusjozi ama results aphuma eJanuary makaphuma luckily la ngiregister khona vele bangiaccept isikolo ngitshela ukuthi hayi mina ngiyahamba ngisebenzisa le mali encane umama mangishele yona uthi ngivalelisa ugogo hayi gogo vele ngabi nenkinga kube ukuthi vele ngiyahamba ke kuyasikolong or awusjozi mangi first time mangifika like la esikolweni nangihlala khona uthi ngiphupha umama ngiyamphupha umama uthi umama or like molangilale khona ngibhekele like litho like the same the way ngibheke ngakhona uthi ngibhekele yabona so uthi mawungena umnyango like ku that direction so uthi mangibhekele ngilele uthi like ngikoto wrong but like kuba ngathi umuntu yakhona ukumbona yabona uthi mangilele uyavela like ngasemnyango uthi makavela uthi like kirobeti markito uthi ngiyambona vele uthi mama vele afike vele like osiyeni nomnyango uthi afike vele asame like this uthi angakhulumi uthi asame athule athi du angibheke uthi ashiyini khani uthi vele mina ephupheni ngithi mama yini khuluma yini yabona I'm trying to push ukuthi angikhulumise mama yini mama what I was choosing umama uyenze kanjalo like as a 5 days like in a week because of 5 days yonke atla kotorong asabu like lento le yaqala ke manje siyang traumatize with this person uyeza sola kakhulumi yini inkinga kuyabona uthi as uthi viki oqala indlule iviki boyithu indlule or ashes ngibona like there is something wrong emangfonela ugokwami uthi ngifone ugokwami gogo yazi ngisenze ngifike lana mangilale ebusuku ngibona umama umama akakhuluma ufika eminyango athule angibheke anyike izikhanda angakhulumi uthi gokwakho athi uqalile yazi ngezinto zakho ezisile uqalile yini kona lokho kungayenzeka into enjalo abantu uthi gokwami kube umuntu ukuthi uyasnapper so uyaqala like wangikomanya uqalile ukhani ukukhuluma izinto ezingekho ezisile uthi gokwami drop iphone or I was like ingiphathe kabuhlungu this thing uthi bekhona umunye usisi we lecture abona so eclassini every time makafundisa yena uthi like ngithathwala ke boroko abona ngithathwala ke uthola sengilele kube uyathatha bona siyafunda yini inkinga yakho ngithabise yini inkinga yakho yabona uthi hayi makaphuma like eclassini uthi ngimsale emuva abona uthi mama yazi is not about uthi ngiyakuphaphela or something I just want someone engakhuluma naye like I'm going through something engayi understand and my family ayikhona ukungisupport yi uthi hayi le lecture vele uthi ikhuluma like i personal na do you need me ukuthi ngibize umunye umuntu sibe draw zokhuluma uthi le lecture ikhuluma like ithathe ngathi ngizokhuluma ngento ye rape or uhlukunyeziwa yabona so afuna ukuthi abe ne witnesses ngithi no mama like ifuna mina nawe sithu is it possible isingahlala la une safe space ngikhona ukuxoxela yona na or awujozi le lecture le khube ngaro rumejeke mudimo uthi hayi vele avume athi no for us uthi be safe ke mama ufuna ukukhuluma nami asambe ke uyohlala ngale esihlala ngale motweni yami then uthi maqedile then wakhona uhamba ke or awujozi sihambe vele sifike emotweni uthi masifike emotweni vele ngimchazela istory vele ngiqala istory samphansi uthi mina kwenzekeni umama wami mina ukuthi ayitwasa inizinyawo umlilo wabadimo ngama blisters uthi vele ngiqala istory vele emuva ukuthi akhona ukungiunderstand yabona so uthi uthi ngimchazele vele ukuthi kwenzakalani yabona. Uthi the lecture im advice uthi I think it's best mawungaye ekhaya mawufika ekhaya uhambe ethuneni ukhuluma nomama yabona umtshela ukuthi ukuphi usesikolweni ba accept kuphi in uthi inform like idlozi lakho ukuthi ukuphi ukuthi mali kufuna lizokuthola kuphi ngabe ukuthi lishocked ukuthi awukho ekhaya wabona. Or awusikithi advice ngithi okay ama nge weekend ke ngehle ngekhaya uthi ka weekend vele ke theho vele ke uthi mama mbe kumunye umuntu even though bayagula beka obsessed ngokuclean uthi bekathanda la ku clean khona beyakuthanda like uclean like beyathi bangakuthethisa nje ukuthi awuclean or awuclean kahle like umuntu lokuthi mawuclean uzofika like phezulu kwe dining table or whatever finish afika enze sort asikupe songomuntu wakhe afuna ubona ukuthi kune dust na udustile ungaka ungaclean ngaphela without dusting uthi mama mbo kumuntu njalo. Or how awushozi hayi vele ngifike emakhaya uthi mangifika vele gogo kwami hayi mama ngitshela ugogo hayi ngifuna ukubona ithuna la kamama yazi like nginezinkinga I feel ngathi umama makazi uthi nguphi uthi vele ngichazele ugogo athi hayi bele ngifaka izintweni zakho nomama akhe everyday umama akho bona uthi hayi sengizola ukuthi kuqambela akafuna ukukhuluma ngomama enakhe na problem uthi hayi ngihambe vike awusijozi ngihambe ngithuneni ngifike vele ngithenga isnafe se5 emakuleni uthi vele ngifike hayi ke ngithela isnafe uthi ngiphahle vele ngikhulume nomama ngimtshela ukuthi nguphi ngenza yiphi because ngicela ungivikele in yabona hayi no problem uthi vele ngijike ngendlini uthi ngize for a weekend Sunday kajika so uthi hayi vele ngihambe vele ngibele endlini ngolala. Or awusijozi tell me hore ka half or ke half uthi hayi ngilele uthi mangilele ngizwe ngathi like my mother uyangibiza uthi ngimuza Nthabise uthi angibize ngale voice layer bengangibiza ngayima kakhulu like le voice layer like engasi strong weak yabona. Nthabise uthi ngiphaphame uthi mangiphaphama ngibhe like ngicheck around ukuthi hayi man ngizwa kahle kulobona uthi ngicheck angiboni umuntu. Or awusijozi vele kiphinde vele nilale wabona uthi ngimuze futhi Nthabise ngiyakubisa or awusijozi kemele uthi mangemele ngizwe ukuthi hayi man le voice le ngathi vela la ngaphandle yabona. Or awusijozi kemele urakemela ngihlole windweni uthi mangihlo uthi umama wami like simncube bekunelinye irogo lakhe like lawa like uwe vintage bekathanda uthi bele nefika belt and limhlophe cream white linama ngabiza inama dos abek uthi bekathanda simncube ngal uthi and then kunejezi akhona le wulule ngathi like soft besimgcokise zona. Or awushozi nthi mangivula uthi ngabona vele umuntu oqhubeka kanjalo but mangivuka ubhekile like I'm looking like outside the window ne but instead ukuthi abone ubuso uthi ngibona like ngibona in nibiza yayi umgogodlo obona ngibona yena ubhekile so uthi awusijozi decide ukuthi ema ngiphume ngomnyango to see if ever ithenga iqiniso. Or awusijozi I don't know ukuthi isibindi sokwenza lento ngiyenzile bengisithatha kuphi but I was like ngiyangaphandle I want to confirm ukuthi lo muntu engimbona yo mama mina. Or awusijozi ngavula umnyango ngahamba ngaya ngaphandle uthi la bekangibiza khona athi ungimele lapha azangaza move. Or awusijozi akithoma kijika so umama or awusijozi aketla uthi leso sikhathi like letsolo alimpethi uthi angishaya uvalo uthi mangizwe umama mbele uyenze uthi mangivela vele uyenza so ikhanda akambe uthi ngimbize mama yabona. So uthi akayenzi uthi mangisele ngisondela vele like sengisondela like in front of her manje uthi mama vele ahambise uthi awushozi athoka gate uthi ahambise uthi esathen sala la kagokwami uthi like thina like kitse like ikhefu so thina silavele ikhefini uthi indlela yakhefa so then mawusekithi emayikhefa so yenza so uyakhona ukubona like la strata siphela khona because of reconing and then azinzo ngibambana ngise like isekhoneni like iso yakhefa ngisho indlela thina sila phela khona ikhefa then iba straight so uthi uyaphuma makaphuma vele athi short left uthi vele ahambise ubheke phansi uthi ahambise uthi kuna those two pink houses le eyoqala yobu pink ila bantu labo bangazwani nomama bebangamfuni yabona uthi umama uhambisa auschoose orgeme mola ahambisa uthi makafika kulezi zinto ezi2 ezipink wavele wa disappear just like that wa disappear ngathaza ngabe khona auschoose igamakala uthi ngaphuma ngama ngegate uthi ngibhekile lapho ukuthi ngizombona vela ngizombela uthi leso sikhathi like who uthi like ngaleso sikhathi like angisho like Rikoko thing uthi la adlula khona kulomuzi la adlule khona la bana ma skit light kunama light lawa like amakhulu lawa khanyisa yonke indawo uthi ku bright vele kuloya muzi bayakhanyisa lo muzi adlule ke ngimbonile makadlule amele ukuthi aye phambili uthi what disappear between those 2 pink houses azange sabonakala or auschoose ngijike vele ngiphindele endlini uthi mangiphindela endlini mangivula umnyango kwambathi uyaphona ekseni kangaka uyabhekiseni kangaka or auschoose zangisho next kuko kwami because I know ukuthi there is no point in me telling her ukuthi ngicede ukubona ini uthi vele ngibele endlini uthi mangibele endlini bengakabonanga ukuthi isikhathi bani uthi like mangifika endlini immediately vele ngivala umnyango uthi manje ilitsolo limpethe uthi lingibethe uthi kilobona like ubethozwala uzwe ngathi like inhliziyo yakho izoma same time uthi uvalo lingithi go uthi ngithatha ifoni yami uthi ngibheke isikhathi mangibheke isikhathi ithi 3:20 or auschoose kisabelieve or kerire jwang uthi azange ngize ngilale uthi ngahlala kwaze kwasa azange ngize ngilale the following day uthi kunomamncane wami the following day ngitshela umamncane ukuthi yazi mamncane kwenzeke uthi ngiqale emuva ngimchazele kwenzeke 1 2 3 4 5 and then manje kwenzeka sona ngisesikolweni and then the lecture ngi-advise ukuthi ngenze sona so ngizelana uthi ekseni nami ngamatha namuhla ngizumama mangibiza makangibiza ngisolo ngimuza ukuthi yangibiza but ungibizela ngevoice ephansi ekulayo uthi mangivula ikhetheni ngimbone ngempahla lezi simbulunge ngazo uthi mamncane ngiphume ngimlandelele uthi mangisondela kube umuntu ungathi ujahile uthi asisuke vele ahambise masingi uthi mara uhamba ubheke phansi akabheka ngaphambili akabheka emasayidini ubheke phansi uthi ngitshela mamncane ukuthi uhambile ngaze ngambheka unyamalale kulezi zinto zekibo bani yabona lezi zinto zipink ezithu unyamalele makafika lapho abona uthi mamncane nomama ngani athi zonke lezi zinto besenzeka botshela ugogo wakho uthi yimthe ukuthi gogo ngiyamtshela gogo uthi ngakhuluma ngomama mina sengiyahlanya akafuni yabona uma umncane wami lo ngikhuluma naye yena nogogo wami like baneclash abazwani kahle yabona uthi athi ne who like uthi umbona ukuthi ushocked man like she's not shocked wabona uthi athi ne athi umama bomtshela zonke lezi zinto uthi ngimtshela ukuthi mamncane ngimtshele yonke into ayikho into ongakamtshela ngaphandle kale yenzeke this morning azangize ngimtshela because angiboni ipoint ukuthi ngiyamtshela because mangimtshela ungithatha njengomuntu ohlanyayo uri auschoose umamncane wami athi abomama bayaganga abomama bayaganga ngithi antuchaza ukuthini athi ngithi abomama bayaganga mamncane ngichaza ukuthini athi ngithi abomama bayaganga uthi auschoose ayicede kanjalo uthi the following night ngilale umama mvela ngisi uri auschoose ikizamaye kebole go dropong angifike edropeni hayi uthi mangilele umama avele futhi uthi makavela this time uthi avele angibheke cedala awave ahambe azangasho next uthi mangiyesikoleni Monday morning ngilandele lecture ngimtshela ukuthi ukwenzekeni ngichazele lecture yazi kwenzekeni kwenzekani ngitshela ukuthi manje last night uzile phela lo muntu lo wawave wahamba uthi the lecture was like mina yongibela inkinga mangathi I want to take you somewhere but because of akekho umuntu yini umdala onga-approve izinto engifuna ukuzenza andizongifaka inkingeni la nemsebenzini uthi angitshele ngithabise this thing ifuna wena ukuthi uyilwise umama khoma wavalele sasho kuyasho ukuthi angeke asaphinda abuye ekorridor ngitsahawo and ukukhomisile ukuthi ukuphi so for you ntombazana ababone imali ukhona ukusimela bozohamba yololo mamakho so ngoba unamali enomncane bengicela utshele basekini ukuthi bahamba bayolanda umamakho la khona uri auschoose lelo la ngamande azange khona attenda any classes uthi angikhonfonela umamncane ngamtshela futhi ukuthi umama uzile wawiva wahamba umamncane bathi mntwana nami I wish ukuthi ngabe ngisebenza bengizokunceda but now I cannot chelete so ari ona no ngipuzzled ngisele ngendaba enjalo anginamali ukuzinceda noma mncane akakhona ukunginceda. Usisi uthi awushozi angazi ukuthi ngicabange kanjani uma mncane wami like umakethe and the way naka shocked asolo athi umama uyaganga abomama bayaganga uthi angazi ukuthi ngithi ugogo wami uyazi ukuthi kwenzekeni kumamami angi understand ngapho antwama akasebenzi nga understand akanayo leyo mali but she's not even pushing ukuthi kubizwe family meeting for ukuthi kuzama ukufind out ukuthi why umama disappear kulezo zinto zethu or I'm young, I don't have money but bengifisa ukuthi ngaba nomuntu onganginceda within ama family members wami but I can see ukuthi I'm on my own uthi into ngenza ukuthi ngikubhalele I just want to find out kubalandeli bakho ukuthi if it takes me 2 to 3 years ukuthi ngikhona ukuyenza lezi zinto lezi for umama ngizokhona ukumthola na if ever labantu laba bamthethe bamthebula ngakhona ukuyilwa lento maybe after about 2 to 3 years ukuthi ngiyomrelease na or is it possible ukuthi makangivalelisa angeke ngisaphinde ngimbone or angeke ngisaphinde ngiconnecte naye emotionally or ngamaphupho or byang because now I'm left puzzled and as a child I don't know what to do. Mara ngizobhlungu ukuthi gokwami she's shutting me out endabeni zaka mama and she doesn't want me to talk about my mom or akafuna engage anything involve umama. So dilo zoka ufanele ngikudlisa buhloko ukuthi mina I thought ukuthi uzoba ishelter yami uzoba iphila yami as umntwana akashonile emhlabeni but now she's not there emotionally and even if lilala ngahlangana nami ekseni ngamatha athi ubuya kuphi like beyangasi concerned that much ukuthi kwenzakalani because like no car if ever no ukangibona no car kibona isibuku and kibona isibuku kaNedi but she didn't even notice or angazo noticeile or she just ignored me or something I could say but I feel ukuthi gokwami knows ukuthi what really happened to my mother but she's just hiding it from me and ngizosubhlungu ukuthi my mamncane antwami knows ukuthi ngabe kwenzekeni kumamami but naye nje uyenza ama dark and dive akangitshela into eqondile so I was just I'm puzzled aketsebeketse jwang but I wish ukuthi ngathi ngalithola usizo one day and try to help my mother. Ibhlungu into yenzakala enganeni shem ibhlungu and whatever you feel inside sometimes like mudimo feel like into a you can feel if something is wrong you can feel ukuthi la akuna balance something I balance you feel leyo nto leyo and sometimes my feel leyo nto leyo vani kuyiyo vele vani ngajiki so mina for mina angazi ukuthi ngasolve kanjani inkosi yami le ndaba le because ibhlungu for you uphuphe ngumuntu oshonile i2 full weeks yonke umbona but angakhulumisi and amiskhathi like hi guys ngesingishilo ngathi yabona ama church ake sahotsa wayithiking like zibhlungu ezinye izinto sidlula kizwe emhlabeni uthola umuntu azihambela lapho ungazi ukuthi uthwele kanzima akakhona nokulala yo life it's very spiritual kaNedi yo bye guys.